Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can download any file from your Google Drive. If you have any link to the file which is stored in Google Drive, or you have the direct access to the file and you want to download it from the Google Drive to your computer, then you need to follow these simple steps. First, you need to open the Google Drive either via your browser or via the Google Drive app. Then, once you are inside the drive, you need to navigate to the folder or to the file which you want to download. So, to navigate properly, click on the My Drive button on the left hand side. Then, you need to navigate to the particular folder that you want to download. For example, I want to download this file right here. So, to download this file, simply click on these three vertical dots right here. Click on it and you can see the download button right here. Simply click on the download button and you can see that the file is being scanned for viruses or other malware. Since the file is too large, it can't scan the file for viruses, but you may still choose to proceed to download the file. So simply click on the download anywhere button. Once you do, the file will start to get download, and here you can see that the file has been successfully downloaded in your computer. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.